Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a crucial topic that every electrician in Canada needs to know inside and out. The Canadian Electrical Code S rule on bends in a raceway. Specifically, we're talking about Rule 12 to 940. So, grab your code book and let's get into it. First off, what does the rule actually say? Rule 12 to 940 states that a run of conduit or tubing between an outlet between fitting and fitting, or between outlet and fitting, shall not contain more than the equivalent of 4 90-degree bends. This includes any offsets at the outlet or fitting. The magic number is 4. 4 90-degree bends, or a total of 360 degrees. Now, why does this rule exist? It's all about practicality and safety. The primary reason is to make pulling conductors through the raceway manageable. Imagine trying to pull a wire through a long pipe with 5 or 6 sharp turns. The friction would be immense. It would be incredibly difficult, and you'd risk damaging the insulation on the wires as you pull them. Damaged insulation is a serious fire hazard, and this rule helps prevent that. It ensures that the pulling tension on the conductors doesn't exceed a safe limit. So, how do we count these bends? It's pretty straightforward. A standard 90-degree bend is, well, 90 degrees. That's one of your 4 allowed bends. What about a 45-degree bend? Counts as half a 90-degree bend. So, 2 45s equal 190. An offset, which often uses 2 bends of the same angle like 30 degrees, also counts towards your total. If you have a box offset using 2 30-degree bends, you've used up 60 degrees of your 360-degree allowance. It's all simple addition. What happens if you absolutely need more than 360 degrees of bends to get from point A to point B? The code is very clear on this. You need to install an intermediate pulling point like a junction box or a conduit body. This breaks up the long run into 2 or more shorter, manageable sections. Each section must then comply with the 360-degree rule on its own. It might seem like extra work, but it's a non-negotiable part of a safe and professional installation. It also makes future maintenance or adding new circuits way easier. To wrap it up, Rule 12 to 940 is your best friend when it comes to wire pulling. Remember the limit, a total of 360 degrees between pull points. Always count your bends, including offsets, and when in doubt, add a pull box. It protects the wire, it protects you, and it ensures a code-compliant job every time. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarification helps you on your next project. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more electrical tips and code breakdowns. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.